Hi everybody, welcome welcome back to our channel. I am Kim for Treasure Lee Kit Club, and if you are here, thank you for joining us. Today we are revealing our May kits. If you don't know, Treasure Lee Kit Club is a monthly kit club. We provide 3 kits: a scrapbook kit, a cards, tags, and more kit, and a mixed media kit. Every month we bring you this video to reveal our kits, and you can find them on our website at www.treasureleekits.com, and you can go check out all our kits. Treasure Lee also offers its own laser cut chipboard, and that's available on the website as well. If you're seeing this, then that means our May kits have already revealed. And you want to head over there because they are in limited supply, or better yet, just go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss out on a single kit. You can subscribe to 1 kit, all 3 kits, or any combination that you like. Speaking of subscribing, make sure you hit the little subscribe button down below and check your notifications to all so you're notified every time we upload a video with our kits. And while you're down there, make sure you like and comment on this video as well so we can continue to bring you these videos. All right, enough of me rambling. Let's get on with the kits. Up, we have our scrapbook kit. And this month's kit, we've got some brand new papers from Tonic Studios. I didn't even know they did papers until I started doing the deep dive for this month's kit. I'm just used to Tonic Studios bringing us die cuts. But here we are. First up, we've got some handmade flowers from a Little Birdie. How pretty are these? I love that this inside is all decorated. You've either got pearls or you've got gold or some rhinestones. Just really pretty flowers. Next up, you got another set of handmade flowers from Little Birdie as well. These are a little bit bigger, but a little different variety. So much fun. We love flowers in our kit. Next up, you're going to get 2 different types of chipboard, and these are available in the store as well. So if you hit on chipboard, these first pieces are mini flower borders, and you can find these under borders. If they're not there, check under nature. I can't remember where we put them, but these are so cute. And then because we've got so many flowers in the kit, of course you have to have some chipboard cut leaves. So you're also going to get a set of leaves. And these are also cut in-house. And you're going to get this pack of ephemera. This is the Return to Wonderland, but what it is it's vintage frames, and I think they go really well with the vintage theme of our paper. You'll see in a minute there are 40 frames in here, 40 different pieces. So let's take a look at a few. You get some round, you get some oval, you get some square, but some really cute frames here. And there's actually 20 designs, and you get 2 of each, so you don't have to worry about using your favorite one and then not having another one. You've got 2. Now onto the papers. This line is called Vintage Vignettes, and again, this is from Tonic Studios, brand new, just came out, and you get 18 sheets of paper, straight 18 sheets. You get 9 double-sided designs, and you get 2 of each, plus on the cover, you flip it over, you've got some ephemera here that you can cut out, so you've got some extra ephemera to go along with this. And how pretty is this paper? Absolutely stunning. Let's go through the pages for you. So, sheet 1, and here's your back side. So pretty. Here's sheet 2, your back. This reminds me of like some vintage wallpaper or those vintage pillows. Here's the back side of that. It's just so pretty. The tones are a little muted, but still absolutely gorgeous for layouts, for cards, even if you want to do ultra projects. And I like the fact that you've got 2 sheets of each because the back sides are so pretty too. Now you're able to use both sides. Here's our next sheet. Just absolutely stunning. And this is a very nice weight of paper as well too. And how pretty is that? Now here's the fun part here. You've got these cards that you can use for card toppers. You can use these as layers behind your photos. And I know, I always think when I see the sheet, oh, but I like the back side too. Well, you've got two sheets. Use one, cut up in the cards, and use the back side of the other one, because how pretty is that? And again, another set of cards. You do absolutely the same thing. And then you've got another pretty sheet back here. And your last sheet. So that's all 9 designs, all 18 sheets of paper. And again, good heavyweight paper as well. So this is our scrapbook kit. It retails for $52. That includes your shipping. And again, it's available on the website at www.trejoliekits.com. Head on over there and check it out. Next up, we're going to have our cards, tags, and more kit. Hey, this is our cards, tags, and more kit. It retails for $42. And again, it can be found on the website at www.trejoliekits.com. If you don't know about our cards, tags, and more kit, this is our kit for those that like smaller projects, whether you like to make cards or tags or anything like that. You might get a mini album in here. Just think smaller projects, and it's probably going to be in this kit at some point in time. So let's get started. Our cutter elves got a little happy with the scissors and wound up cutting these into 2 pieces versus 1. So you'll have these 2 pieces of lace about 6 inches each for a full 12 inches. You're also going to have some chipboard for this kit. I'm going to show you the chipboard. It's going to give you an idea kind of the papers and what's in here. You're going to get this little steampunk border. It's 2 pieces. And yes, this is on the website as well in our chipboard. And I know this is under steampunk. You're also going to get this little mini film strip. We've got 2 pieces here. Now, I know this is on the website as well too, and this is either under borders or steampunk, so I'm not quite sure, but go ahead and check it out. It's there. You're also going to get a die, and this is from Tonic Studios, and like I said, I'm used to Tonic with dies, and this one is called the Filigree Flourishes. So it's very pretty, be very pretty on cards and tags as a border. You're also going to get this set of alphabet cards. There's 52 pieces in here, and these are so fun. You're also going to get this pack of ephemera, and this is from Sniperia. This is from their Master of Magic collection, and doesn't tell us how many pieces are in here, but you're going to get this full set of all these fun little pieces of ephemera. How cute are those? And the paper that you're going to get is also the Master of Magic, but this is their background selection. The pattern paper, the other pattern paper that goes with this, just didn't quite suit what I was going for, but the backgrounds of them are perfect because you still get some of the graphics, but not all of the graphics. And you get 10 double-sided sheets in here. So here we are, and this is in pad form, and I like that. Let me make sure I'm getting this right. The back side of this, look at this. This is so fun. It's so feminine, yet it's so masculine, but it's so pretty. And again, the colors are a little muted, but still feel a little vibrant. And how much fun could you have making these cards? Father's Day is coming up, and these would make some wonderful Father's Day cards. Just look at this sheet with all the gears. Just super fun paper. So these are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 sheets. Plus, you get this sheet on the front, and you get this sheet on the back. They're not double-sided, but at least you get the front part of it. So that's that. But we've also got something in this kit that's going to be so much fun. I hope you guys enjoy it. I made a card years ago, and when we did the live show in Rockford, I had that card displayed, and everybody was like, you really need to put that card in a kit. And the card I made, I'm sure you've seen it. It's just a little simple tiered card. It's a 3-tiered card that sits like this. Well, guess what you're going to get in the kit? You're going to get the base pieces to make that same tiered card. So the black pieces are going to be the base pieces, and this was all laser cut out. So you're going to get those base pieces, and then you're going to get what I would call the connectors, I guess, that go inside here. You're going to get the connectors to connect the card to set it up. And there will be a video on how to put this together if you're worried about that. But yeah, you're going to get the base things that you need to create this card. And then you can use your papers and your ephemera to decorate it. But how fun is that? So you're going to get that shaped card in here. And again, this can be found on our website at www.trejoliekids.com. And to make sure that you don't miss out on the video that I do for that card, make sure you hit the subscribe button and you like and comment on this video. Okay, I'll put that up later. Next up, we are going to have our mixed media kit. So we'll be right back. Okay, for our mixed media kit, if you don't know about our mixed media kit, it's all about building up your mediums and trying out new mediums, but it's all going to be on a smaller scale. So one, you can build your stash, and two, you can get to see if you like a product, and then at some point go ahead and buy the larger product. But we do it on a smaller scale, and it also comes with some type of project in the box. So it's a standalone kit. You can pull it out and get started on a project, maybe pull some things from your stash or pull some mediums from the prior month. But that's what this kit is all about. First up, we've got some one-step crackle medium. I love using crackle on anything and everything. And then next up, we've got some alcohol pearls. They're like alcohol inks, except they have a pearlescent shimmer to them when you use them. And the colors we have in this one are, let's see, does it? Oh, we have Scorch, Radiant, and Intense are the colors that we have in here. And then to go along with these for our little project, first up, we've got a little mini frame. The yes, again, cut in-house, and it's chipboard. It's a little mini frame. You can find these on the website under chipboard, under cards, and that's where they will be. You're also going to have this little mini canvas. How cute is this little mini canvas? You're going to have that. You're going to have a metal spoon, not the exact one like this, but you will have a little metal spoon. And then you also have another little 5x7 flat canvas as well. And again, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, because we also do YouTube lives using the mixed media kit. So if you have any questions about the mixed media kit, you can always check out our YouTube live. You can join us live, or we do put it on the website so you can replay it later at your own pace. And you can stop it or slow it down so that you can become familiar with everything. So these have been the 3 kits. And again, you can find them on our website, www.trejoliekids.com. And this is Kim for Trejolie Kids. Thank you for stopping by. We'll see you at our next video. Bye.